Hello guys, have you seen a video like this and like this? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to create an AI video or an AI image. Well, anyone you can think of, I'm going to be teaching you any of the both. But do you know that this year, if you observe, this AI video was introduced this year, even if it was not introduced this year it was like people were rushing posting. I want you to watch this tutorial video from beginning to the end because I'm going to be teaching you on how to use your ChatGPT, which means your AI, to generate these images and this video we are talking about here. If you are seeing this video for the first time, if you are seeing me for the first time, do me by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. And people are getting millions of views in this video. I've posted one of this video on my channel. I know how many views I got on that video. So you can actually make money using AI video, and one of the things, you can monetize this video. This is the update I have for you today, and if you are interested in this video, don't skip any part of it. Watch it. Let's go. Okay, now we are in our AI. You I've already copied the text you have to put here. So let's see the text. So they say generate AI image fusion of a muscular lion transforming into a snake. So this is the text that we want to generate. This one now we use it to generate the image. So let's generate it now. It's generating. They say creating image. This is the fast way for you to learn how to create those hybrid animal. So we have to generate the image first before we turn it to before we turn it to video. So now this is the image we are using. Okay, so after this we'll go to let's save the image first. Let's save it. Save to photo. So we have already saved this image. So let's go to let's go to our Chrome. This is the last I did. This is the last image I created with the app, with this website, sorry. So we have to create another one now. So let's generate another one. Now so you click on this side, so you just go to library. So we are going to our file. So look, this is the image I just generate now. So let's choose it. Okay, this YouTube on. Let's use this 16.9. Let's use it. You see this file is not supported. Okay, let's do it this way. I don't want to go back to start doing it. Let's click on this. Let's try this one now. Can you see this one appear? So let's use this one. Let's add movements to this image as it is right now. So sorry, give me a minute. So now in this side we'll write movement. We just put add movement.
add movement. So let's click on generate. So we are generating this video now. It's generating, so this will just take a while. All right, here's the image. Here's the video of the image. So let me click on it. This is the movement that I'm talking about. So we have already added the movement. So this is already a clip on its own. So once you post this video, you will not get any copyright claim. You will not get any. You can actually monetize this video as it is and make your cool cash in this video. If this tutorial, if you like it, please subscribe and like.